I'm going to share with you guys how to make coconut cake and also color your cake. So watch to the end and also help me to share. So it's my birthday. So my birthday is on the 19th. I'm going to be making cake for myself. So I added 6 raw eggs into my bowl and then I'm going to mix it with my mixer. And then next I went in with sugar and then I continue to mix. So I'll continue to mix this for about 4 minutes just to make the egg a little bit white. So like I said, you don't need to spend money on things like this, more especially if you be mama. So next guys, I added coconut oil since I'm making coconut cake, so everything na coconut. Next I'm going to be making use of this coconut milk. You can also use fresh coconut. So I'll just open it. I'm going to be making use of just the milk, and then for the water I'll just keep it aside. So this is the water, this is how it is. So I'll just set it aside. I'm going to be making use of 2 coconut milk. So I did the same thing. I used the milk and kept the water aside. Then I mix it up again like this for another 2 minutes just to mix it up very well. Like I said, you can use fresh coconut, but I was like, if I buy coconut, I feel no fine. So next I'm using vanilla flavor. I don't have coconut flavor. So you can also use coconut flavor as well. Next, I'm going to sieve in 2 cups of plain flour. So once I'm done sieving it, I'm going to go in with my baking powder as well and sieve them as well together. And then next, I'm going to mix up the ingredients nicely. Back to what I am saying. If you are a mother with children, to make cake for birthday these days on the course, so you can follow this step and you're going to make a delicious cake for your children. So while you're mixing, this is how the texture of your cake should be. Make sure it is not hard and it is not liquid. Next, I am going to warm the leftover coconut water and transfer it into it. This is a secret nobody will tell you. If you're making a cake, try to go in with hot water like this or maybe hot milk. You are going to be amazed with the result. So next, I share the mixture into 2 because I said I wanted to try something new. So I went in with green color and then I mix it up nicely. I have never made a colored cake before. So this is light green. I'm going to mix it up and then I'll transfer it into my baking pan and then I'll put it in the oven. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this point, are you inspired to try making cake for yourself or for your baby? Let me know in the comment section. So the leftover one, I mix it up with pink color and then I'm still going to pop it in the oven. And then that is it. So overall, I baked 4 colors of cake. Take a look at this. So this is the one I set aside. I said I'm going to cut it and show you guys how the cake look inside. Guys, take a look at this. Does this right here look like something you're going to try? And it tastes amazing. If I may say, coconut cake is one of the best. All right, guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Please do help me to share this video. And if you watch this video to this point, wish me happy birthday in advance. See you all on my next one. Bye.